Hi everyone, my name is Mareedu Gowtham. I'm recently joined web development program in Unified Mentor. During this internship, I worked on developing websites by using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Java, and React. I also gained hands-on experience with front-end development and back-end integration, which helped me to get a knowledge on coding and problem-solving skills. One of my favorite parts was collaborating with the team is a live project. It gave me a real insight how to develop web applications are built in deployed in a professional skills and professional environment. I'm really thankful to my mentors and their entire team for their guidance and support throughout the internship. This experience was motivated me to keep learning as growing as a web developer.